7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in this period. Alalahanin po ninyo mga kaibigan, game number 6 na ito. At ito na ang pangatlong pagkakataon ng Gordons para mapanalo ang kampyonato dito sa Commissioner's Cup ng 1997.
Partner, binalik ni Coach Robert Jaworski muli si Val David, and he's now going up against Johnny Barrientos head-to-head.
Johnny Barrientos pumunta sa kaliwa. Jojo Lastimosa gets open after a fake. Medyo mahina ang tira. Merong foul from behind on Bong Hawkins.
At si Lastimosa, partner, only 3 points in this game. Kulang na kulang ang contribution ni Jola sa larong ito.
Bong Hawkins picks up his second personal foul. Alam mo, ito si Bong Hawkins, pinakita natin kanina kung gaano kainit siya para sa Alaska Milk. Pero napakabigat ng trabaho nito dahil hindi lamang sa opensa, kundi sa depensa. At kailangan niyang ikangay kumayod. Malo Aquino, dilabas kay Chris King. Mid-season. Pinasok sa loob kay Val David! Wow! Big play by Gordon's Gym to go up by 14 points.
Partner, si Vince Season creating a situation that time for Val David.
Johnny Barrientos. Dilabas kay Kevin Holland. Boyd Fernandez is open for the three. Pero hindi pumasok. Malo Aquino. Chris King. Labas ulit kay Marlo.
Oh, sabi ni Marlo, ano, titira ba ako dito?
Ano, bali? Sabi.
Still a lot of time left in the shot clock of Gordon's. 8-7.
Chris King, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Marlo doesn't know it. Marlo didn't know it, so naubos mo ang 24-second shot clock. Bakit ganun? Nasa harapan sila ng bench ng Gordons. Wala mo man lang, o hindi na makarinigan. So sobrang ingay dito.
And Coach Robert Jaworski not happy with the fact that Gordons was not able to get off a shot within 24 seconds.
Bagamat malaki po ang kanilang kalamangan, 14 seconds, malayo pa ito. Look at the 3-point field goal shooting by Gordons. At ang Alaska naman, medyo hirap dyan sa departamentong yan. As Donnie Locsin acknowledges a foul, his second personal.
Grabe ang physical defense ni Noli Locsin on Bong Hawkins. At alam ng Gordon, si Hawkins is the key contributor in offense here for Alaska. Ito naman.
Over to Hawkins. Boyd Fernandez, pupukol na naman. Ayaw na pumasok yung mga tres ni Boyd Fernandez. Val David scoots into the front court. Sinusundan si Boyd Fernandez. Val David pa rin, hangs on to the leather, and a foul is going to be called on Boyd Fernandez.
Well, Gordons is trying to beat Alaska at its own running game. At alam ni Coach Robert Jaworski, may dalawang mabibilis na player ang Alaska sa loob ng court in Boyd Fernandez and Johnny Barrientos. Sabi ni Jaworski, sasabayan ko sila. Ito naman, nandyan si Val David, and of course si Vince Season din, no? A very quick player.
Sa kasalukuyan mga kaibigan, 14 pa rin ang abante ng Gordons. Chris King with a big first step. Pero nabitawan ng bola sa mid-air, and he misses the shot. Lumalabas si Bong Hawkins. Vince Season is on him. Dilabas kay Johnny Barrientos. Kevin Holland will take the shot. Medyo mahina rin. Those shots are not falling for Alaska Milk from the outside, Querido.
At sabi ni Marlo Aquino,
natanggal na halos yung goggles niya.
Sabi niya, tignan mo, natanggal yung goggles ko. That means may contact yun. Ba't walang tawag?
Score is back at 60-46 in favor of Gordons because of third quarter. Good pivot move, pero dalawa nagbabatay kay Noli Locsin. Pero binaniwala niya sa ilalim, dalawa nakapayong sa kanya. Locsin, very creative underneath. Noli has a total of 11 points in this game. Near steal, completed by Chris King. Binigay kay Val David, and Gordons is on the attack again. Val David, tuloy-tuloy, nakita na naman si Noli Locsin sa ilalim.
2 straight baskets by Noli Locsin at partner on the other end. George Lastimosa, another poor decision in trying to score a jump shot over a much taller Chris King.
16 or 18-point lead by Alaska with this.
John Travolta is Sam Archer, the good guy. Nicolas Cage is Castor Troy, the bad guy. Or is it the other way around?
Battle between good and evil.
In an explosive movie that shook the charts. This is why and how in The Making of Face Off. Friday, September 12 at 6 p.m.
Bring it on!
Visions of the world's best in tennis in their glorious moments can be seen on ATP Tour Highlights every Saturday at 11 p.m. only here on your Channel of Champions.
With about 7.5 minutes gone by dito sa third quarter, an 18-2 blast here by Gordon's Gin para po umagat sila ng 18 puntos at ito si Noli Locsin talaga namang kayod marino, kayod kabayo dito po sa third quarter nito. But Bong Hawkins attacks the defense of Noli Locsin and scores.
Yes, ang partner, ang depensa ni Noli Locsin, no? Sobra.
Oo.
Very physical and well, that time, of course, si Bong Hawkins was too close to the basket and Noli Locsin just simply conceded the shot. Ito yung third quarter field goals. And another shot coming from Vince Hizon.
18 points para kay Vince Hizon sa larong ito, mga kaibigan. Balik na naman sa 18 ang kalamangan ng Gordons. Nakaka-4 na puntos pa lang. Oy! Offensive foul is called on Bong Hawkins.
Partner, gumalaw. Gumalaw si Bong
Sa
Hawkins.
kanyang pick.
Did not establish his pick. And things going badly now for Alaska.
Third personal foul para sa Alaska Milk. 18 puntos na kalabangan po ng Gordon's Gin dito sa third quarter with 3.5 minutes to go in the period. Game 6. Noli Locsin laban kay Dwight Lago. There's a pivot by Noli Locsin!
Partner, inaatake nila ang depensa ni Dwight Lago. Lago not able to keep up with Noli Locsin's power moves. Ito yung pihit. Ito naman yung tira ni The Tank. Noli Locsin has exploded sa larong ito.
And a foul to boot. So a 3-point play para kay Noli Locsin. He's got 6 points in this ball game, and all of them in spectacular fashion underneath, despite the tough defense being put up by Alaska Milk. And Locsin makes his free throw. 16 puntos na po.
Oh, 16 in total.
Oo.
But dito naman sa third period, ano, mga 7 na, no?
Pampito niya.
Okay.
Sabantala, Kevin Holland. Johnny Abarientos is open. Oops, no basket. Merong offensive foul na nakita sa referee Varela. Johnny Abarientos called for the offensive foul. At nakita niyo po si Coach Tim Cone, nakatungo ang ulo. Medyo balisa na itong Alaska. Tingnan natin ang nangyari dito, mga kaibigan.